been in the car with your friends, blasting music with the bass turned all the way up, listening to your favorite song, and all of a sudden you hear noises you're not supposed to hear? It ruins the whole experience. And that's the problem we're here to help fix. Our goal is to help find the location from where that awful noise is coming from. In vehicles, high bass and volume can cause parts of the interior to create maybe unexpected noises. You might be in your car right now trying to find these noises like we were, which can take a lot of time when you're trying to listen carefully by ear. For you and car manufacturers right now, that makes the process slow and difficult. Our device helps make that process faster, easier, and more accurate by locating where the bad noise is happening inside the car. That matters because better testing means better sound quality, less frustration for manufacturers, and a better experience for drivers and passengers. At Ohio State, projects like ours show why ECE matters. Electrical and computer engineers can use sound, signals, software, and hardware together to solve real-world problems that affect everyday life. In this case, we're helping to make cars quieter, better, and more enjoyable for everyone.